Okay, epic fail. This is tragic for me. No one has ever been killed in a computer crash. But usually, when it happens, they wish they were. Actually, one moment. So, this is the one that was broken before. I actually never showed you fixing this, but this is it. It's the Dell Dimension, and now has Ubuntu Linux on it. No internet connection currently available to it. Here's my laptop. Actually, let's turn off the air conditioning so we can hear it. It's much quieter. Alright, hold on, let me open the lid. Sorry. Okay. So, it doesn't work. Here's what happens. Turn it on. Hold on. Power light comes on and this light comes on. That's it. Screen doesn't light up. Is the fan working? Can't tell if the hard drive's spinning or not, but it's not making that noise it should be. I hope it's not the hard drive, but if it was, the BIOS would still come up, and so would the Dell logo. Even if the monitor was broken, it would still run everything else. There is no air coming out of the fan. Hard drive is spinning, but that's all it's doing. I could tell it's not reading anything. I also tried plugging it into another monitor, that didn't. So let's turn it off. Listen. This sucks. Okay. So here's the story. Yesterday, my FireWire cable came in from eBay. So, I went to go try it out. I had Kino on Ubuntu, which another thing I haven't told you was when I actually dual booted with Ubuntu on here, because Windows Vista was slow. Ubuntu is so much faster. I was planning on making a video about how Ubuntu is so much quicker than Vista, but I never did, and now that this is broken, they can't do that. So Kino didn't really work very well, so I tried installing another one by using a terminal. I was installing and I had my FireWire cable plugged in, everything set up, webcam plugged in, the Ethernet cable plugged in. I was using the other computer. I went to go watch a video on YouTube about how to use Ubuntu, or how to use a FireWire with a DV camera on Ubuntu. And the video started playing. It said something like, if you have some videos on your DV camera that you want to put on to Ubuntu, like that, and the screen went white and then it stopped. I tried some key commands. Nothing. I pressed the power button once, because sometimes I'll shut down the system. Nothing. Tried a bunch of things. Still nothing. So, then I had to hard shut it. I turned it back on. It was booting up. Then the Ubuntu logo came on for a second. It was dim. And then it went off. And then it showed up again as on this side, like all warped and like messed up for a second. And then then the screen blacked out. Then it came back on as a login screen. So I went logged in. So it made the sound and everything. Then I went to log on Skype when the screen went black. Not black like this. It was lit up black as let me see if I can make it do it. As this color black. Yeah. See how it's lit up black? So, then I had to turn it off. Then, I was going down the stairs. Whenever I slipped down 3 steps of holding the computer was still in my arms. So, that didn't get much impact, and I only fell down 3 steps and slipped. So it didn't like tumble or anything, or fall down, drop, nothing. And I went to turn it on, and it did that. Where only the power light comes on. Computers are nothing but trouble. Can't live with them, and you can't live without them. They just cause trouble. So that's the story on that. If anyone knows what to do or anything, see, it could be the motherboard, the graphics card, I wouldn't think it's the power supply, since the power does somewhat come on. But the BIOS is not loading. Now, I do not think the BIOS is stored on the hard drive. It is, I think it's stored on somewhere else. So if the hard drive is broken, the BIOS would still come up. There is that video called Drive Savers. This guy turned on his computer, it said disk read error. Press Control Alt Delete. And the Dell logo came up and everything. People are gonna say, those Mac users, that's what you get for using a PC. Macs break too. I've heard people that had an Apple crash. See, I'm using Ubuntu, it wasn't even Vista. So, Macs crash too. So that's it. Bye.